দেখো রে বাবা ইয়াইন কুয়ারিতে আগুন লাগছে সারা মানুষ ভিতরে ব্লাস্টিং মারিয়া আগুন লাগছে ও দেখো সব মানুষ ভিতরে দেখো সব মানুষ ভিতরে আর কোনো যে হইছেন না এগো মানুষ বাড়াইছেন না
A very tragic incident that took place in East Jingbthei Hills, where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Ngut area in East Jingbthei Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Yalong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnel from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. Takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakman Rumbui and Mr. Wailat Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You're aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life.